Shanghai. Just the name evokes images of a city that pulsates with energy, a metropolis that never sleeps, where the lights are always bright, and the streets are always alive. It's a place where ancient traditions collide with futuristic aspirations, creating a unique blend that is both captivating and inspiring. Here you can find centuries-old temples standing proudly next to cutting-edge skyscrapers, the Pearl of the Orient they call it, and for good reason. The iconic Pearl Tower stands as a testament to the city's ambition and its drive to reach new heights. This is a city that shimmers with wealth and ambition, where luxury cars glide past high-end boutiques, and the scent of opportunity is in the air. A beacon of modernity in a country rapidly embracing the 21st century, Shanghai's skyline is a symbol of progress and innovation. From its soaring skyscrapers to its bustling streets, Shanghai is a city that never ceases to amaze. The view from above reveals a sprawling urban landscape that is constantly evolving. Shanghai is a feast for the senses with its vibrant street life, tantalizing aromas from street food vendors, and the constant hum of activity. Every street and alleyway has its own story to tell. A place where every corner holds a new surprise. From hidden cafes to secret gardens, Shanghai is a city that invites exploration and discovery. Let's dive in and explore what makes this city tick. From its rich cultural heritage to its modern-day marvels, Shanghai is a city that offers something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an adventurer, there's always something new to discover in this dynamic city. Experience the tranquility of a traditional Chinese tea ceremony, a moment of calm amidst the city's hustle and bustle. Witness the cutting-edge technology that is shaping the future, from innovative startups to global tech giants. And as the sun sets, Shanghai transforms into a playground for night owls, with its vibrant nightlife offering endless entertainment options. Stroll through local markets where you can find everything from exotic spices to handmade crafts, and immerse yourself in the local culture. Discover the city's thriving art scene with galleries and museums showcasing both traditional and contemporary works. Relax in one of Shanghai's many parks where locals gather to practice Tai Chi, fly kites, or simply enjoy the beauty of nature. Indulge in the culinary delights that Shanghai has to offer, from world-class restaurants to humble street food stalls. Join in the festivities during one of the city's many celebrations, where the streets come alive with music, dance, and joy. And finally, take a moment to enjoy the breathtaking views of Shanghai's waterfront at night, a sight that truly captures the essence of this remarkable city. Shanghai, the Pearl of the Orient, a city that never fails to enchant and inspire. Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the magic that lies within. Shanghai is more than just a pretty face. This city, with its towering skyscrapers and bustling streets, is a symbol of China's rapid modernization and economic prowess. It's a place where tradition meets innovation, creating a unique blend that attracts millions of visitors and investors from around the globe. It's the beating heart of China's economy, a dynamic metropolis that never sleeps. The financial district, with its impressive array of skyscrapers, is a testament to the city's economic vitality. Here, the pulse of global finance can be felt in every corner, from the stock exchanges to the bustling trading floors. A global financial hub that rivals New York and London, Shanghai's skyline is a dazzling display of economic power and architectural brilliance. The city comes alive at night with its buildings illuminated in a kaleidoscope of colors, reflecting off the waters of the Huangpu River. It's a sight that captures the imagination and underscores Shanghai's status as a leading global city. This is where deals are made, fortunes are forged, and the future is being written. In the boardrooms and offices of Shanghai, business professionals from around the world come together to negotiate, collaborate, and innovate. The city's business environment is characterized by its energy, ambition, and relentless drive for success. The city is home to the world's busiest container port, a testament to its role as a gateway to the world's second-largest economy. The port of Shanghai is a marvel of modern logistics, handling millions of containers each year and connecting China to markets across the globe. It's a vital artery in the global supply chain, ensuring the smooth flow of goods and commodities. Walk into any boardroom in Shanghai, and you'll feel the palpable energy of a city on the move. The diversity of its workforce, the cutting-edge technology, and the forward-thinking mindset all contribute to an environment that is both challenging and exhilarating. Shanghai is not just a city, it's an experience, a testament to what can be achieved through vision, hard work, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Look up, no really, look up. Shanghai's skyline is a sight to behold, a dizzying array of glass and steel that stretches as far as the eye can see. The iconic Oriental Pearl Tower, with its distinctive spheres, dominates the horizon, a symbol of the city's ambition and progress. But it's not alone. Super-tall skyscrapers like the Shanghai Tower and the Shanghai World Financial Center stand as testaments to China's economic might. Shanghai is a shopper's paradise, a city where you can find anything and everything your heart desires. Whether you're looking for the latest fashion trends, cutting-edge electronics, or unique souvenirs, Shanghai has it all. From luxury boutiques on Nanjing Road, one of the world's busiest shopping streets, where the energy is palpable and the lights never seem to dim, to traditional markets teeming with local crafts, where you can find handmade items that tell the story of Shanghai's rich cultural heritage. Shanghai has something for every taste and budget. Whether you're a high-end shopper looking for exclusive brands or a bargain hunter searching for the best deals, this city caters to all. And when it comes to food, oh boy, is Shanghai a culinary adventure. The city is a melting pot of flavors, offering a diverse range of culinary experiences that will leave you craving for more. From Michelin-starred restaurants serving up innovative cuisine that pushes the boundaries of traditional cooking, to street food stalls hawking delicious dumplings, where the aroma of freshly cooked food fills the air and draws you in, your taste buds will be working overtime. Whether you're indulging in a multi-course meal at a high-end restaurant or grabbing a quick bite from a street vendor, the culinary scene in Shanghai is sure to impress. The city's food culture is a reflection of its vibrant and diverse population, offering a mix of traditional Chinese dishes and international flavors. So, come with an empty stomach and an open mind, and get ready to embark on a gastronomic journey like no other. Section 5. The Bund, where history meets modernity. No trip to Shanghai is complete without a stroll along the Bund. This iconic waterfront promenade offers breathtaking views of the city's futuristic skyline, juxtaposed against the colonial-era architecture that lines the opposite bank of the Huangpu River. It's a place where you can almost feel the weight of history, a reminder of Shanghai's past as a bustling trading port. Grab a coffee, find a bench, and soak it all in. Section 6. Yew Garden, a tranquil oasis in the bustling city. Need a break from the hustle and bustle? Step into Yew Garden, a classical Chinese garden that dates back to the Ming Dynasty. This tranquil oasis with its serene ponds, winding pathways and traditional pavilions offers a welcome respite from the city's frenetic energy. It's a place to lose yourself in the beauty of nature, to find a moment of peace amidst the chaos. Section 7. The French Concession, a touch of Europe in Asia. Wander through the leafy streets of the French Concession, and you might forget you're in China. This charming neighborhood, with its tree-lined avenues, European-style architecture, and chic boutiques retains a distinctly Parisian vibe. It's a popular spot for expats and locals alike, drawn by its relaxed atmosphere and fashionable cafes. Grab a croissant, sit at an outdoor table, and watch the world go by. Section 8. The Maglev, a ride into the future. Hold on tight. Shanghai's Maglev train is not your average commute. This futuristic train levitates above the tracks, propelled by magnetic forces that allow it to reach speeds of up to 431 kilometers per hour or 268 miles per hour. It's a thrilling ride that will whisk you from Pudong International Airport to the city center in the blink of an eye. Section 9. Shanghai's vibrant art and culture scene. Shanghai's creative spirit is alive and well. The city is home to a thriving art scene, with world-class museums like the Power Station of Art, a former power plant transformed into a contemporary art space, and the Long Museum, showcasing traditional and contemporary Chinese art. For a taste of local culture, catch a performance at the Shanghai Grand Theater, renowned for its opera, ballet, and drama productions. Section 10. A city of contrasts. Shanghai is a city of contrasts, where ancient traditions and futuristic aspirations collide. You can wander through centuries-old temples, then hop on a high-speed train that seems straight out of science fiction. You can haggle for souvenirs in a bustling market, then dine on Michelin-starred cuisine. It's this unique blend of old and new, east and west that makes Shanghai so captivating. Section 11. The future is bright for Shanghai. Shanghai is a city on the move, a place where anything feels possible. As China continues its rise as a global superpower, Shanghai is poised to play an even greater role on the world stage. With its entrepreneurial spirit, its embrace of innovation and its unwavering ambition, the future looks bright for the Pearl of the Orient.